Hello everyone. If your Shopify store is stuck on the opening soon page, don't worry, I will show you how to fix this issue and get your store up and running for customers. So now let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and head to online store. Click preferences, scroll down to the password protection section and uncheck the box that says enable password. This feature prevents public access to your store. Next, ensure that your Shopify account is on a paid plan. Free trial accounts often restrict full store functionality. Go to Settings, then click Plan and select a plan that suits your needs. Next, make sure your store theme is published. Go to the online store, then go to Themes, and if your theme is marked as unpublished, click Publish. Without a published theme, your store will remain inaccessible. Sometimes the opening soon error persists due to the cache data. Clear your browser cache or try accessing your store on a different browser to see if the issue resolves. And that is how you fix the opening soon launch error on Shopify. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.